Hi guys, and welcome back to another Cue the Confetti. We are in the month of July, and today we've decided to celebrate Christmas in July. And we are going to give you one 5-minute craft, a food craft to do with your family if you want to celebrate Christmas too. Gentry, what have we done today to celebrate Christmas?
Make icebox cookies.
Yeah.
And put on our Christmas clothes. Watch a Christmas movie.
Watched a Christmas movie. We've made icebox cookies, which is Gentry's great grandmother's recipe. And this is our first time making them. I don't even know if Gentry's ever eaten them, but I grew up eating them, especially at Christmas time.
Yeah, my grandma made them for you.
What are we doing today for our summer snippet?
Making frozen chocolate. Frozen chocolate.
So we're going to show you how to make frozen hot chocolate.
And eat these cookies when they're done.
And we're going to eat some nice warm Christmas cookies with frozen hot chocolate.
Yeah. Frozen chocolate.
Frozen hot chocolate, it's an easy one to do. I just eyeball it, but I'll give the actual recipe for the people who need measurements. I get it, I'm just not one of those people. You're gonna need milk. Really, any type of milk you drink is fine. We actually have cow's milk, we never have cow's milk, but we do today. Little syrup, little chocolate syrup, and hot chocolate cocoa powder mix. And ice, and a blender. All right, so we're gonna pour half of it in there. We're gonna put some ice in the blender. A little bit more. We are going to cover with milk. It's probably about 2 cups of milk.
Yeah.
1 packet of hot chocolate.
Yeah. And can I do the chocolate syrup?
And a good squeeze of chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup if I can. This thing.
A hearty squeeze. Let go and squeeze again. Just to make it extra chocolatey. Okay, perfect.
More. That's enough. I put a lot of chocolate syrup.
I'm gonna put a little bit more ice. So we got everything safe. Gentry left because it's too much for her ears.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry though, because I'm just gonna put some Christmas music for you while I blend, so you don't have to hear it either. I think we're done. Are you ready to try our frozen hot chocolate creation?
Yes.
And tell us how it is?
Yes.
Do it! What does it taste like? Do you like it? Pretty good. It's kind of nice on a 100-degree day. And you've got some nice warm cookies straight out of the oven. This was an easy one. We want to know if you celebrate Christmas in July. We're just having fun today because it's been kind of a weird year, huh? And Christmas is always full of joy and hope, and we hope you're full of joy and hope too. And as always, we hope that you like and subscribe to our channel. It's something, it's free for you to do, and it helps us out greatly. And finally, don't forget
to celebrate today.